Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into Web of Science with your institutional or personal credentials. This ensures you can access journal citation reports. Once logged in, locate the Journal Citation Reports link or use the search field to enter the journal title or ISIN. Do this now so you can move directly into metrics. Make sure to pick the correct year for the metrics, because quartiles change annually. Select the latest complete year to get the current quartile. You enter the exact journal title or ISIN into Journal Citation Reports and press search. This reduces ambiguous matches. If several journals appear, use the subject category filter to narrow results, because quartiles are category specific. Once you select the correct journal record, inspect the metrics table. Note the impact factor, total citations, and most importantly the rank and number of journals in that category. These values form the basis for calculating or confirm. You now confirm the quartile. Look at the displayed category rank and total journals. Web of Science often shows the quartile directly. If it does not, divide the rank by the total and map the result to Q1 through Q4. This explains why quartiles differ by subject. If you can't find the journal or quartile, make sure you selected the right year and category, clear filters, and try again. If problems persist, contact your library or support for access or indexing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.